Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. My today's recipe is multi-seed burger bun. I always prefer homemade bread over store-bought. I believe it tastes much better and also I get to choose my favorite ingredients. So for these buns, I have added lots of seeds like sesame, pumpkin, chia, flax seeds and also added some whole wheat flour. So apart from being tasty, they can be wholesome and healthy as well. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll heat up some milk until it's lukewarm. Turn off the heat and add sugar and yeast. But before adding them, do make sure that the milk is not hot. It should be moderately warm or it might kill the yeast. Give it a mix and let it rest for 10 minutes until it becomes foamy and bubbly. Meanwhile, we'll add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl. We'll also add some whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 tablespoons sugar. I am using brown, you can use white as well. Half teaspoon salt and 3 tablespoon oil. Now it's been 10 minutes, we'll check on the yeast. It's nice foamy and bubbly, that means the yeast is activated. We'll add this into the flour mixture. Now using your hand, give it a good mix. This flour mixture seems a bit dry, so we'll add about 1/3 cup of water and form a dough. Transfer this dough on any flat surface. Here I am using my chapati rolling board. And knead the dough for around 8 to 10 minutes. The dough is ready. We'll transfer this in a bowl. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. The dough looks perfect, it has risen well. Now we'll transfer this on a flat surface. Shape the dough into a log. And then using a knife, divide it into 6 equal parts. Take each part and shape them into buns. Transfer these buns on a parchment paper lined baking tray and cover them with a kitchen towel and let them rest for around 30 minutes or until they double in size. And do make sure to preheat the oven 15 minutes before you bake. It's been half an hour, let's check on the buns. They have risen really well. Now we'll brush them with some milk to bring out a nice golden color when they are baked. We'll top them up with some more seeds. And bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. The aroma of freshly baked buns tells us that they are ready. They have this crisp golden texture on the outside and they are soft and fluffy from the inside. Just waiting to be devoured with a cup of coffee or chai. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to make some really tasty and homemade burger buns, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay safe, take care. I'll see you next time.